We are excited to announce a brand new connector to Fluence. Fluence is a leader in cloud accounting and financial consolidation software. In this video, we'll show us running our available collectors. First, we'll run the Dimensions collector, which collects 3,497 records. Next, we'll run the Get Table collector, which collects 9 records. Then we'll run the Model Dimensions collector, which collects 28 records. Our Fluence connector is super quick and can be done in seconds. In this video, we'll also look at our Add Data Target. Available data targets include Add, Update, and Delete. Continue to watch this video to see it in action.